Yo, here for the Aries right now. Aries, tune in, tap in. If you want to hear something for you, well, at least geared towards you. If not you personally, it could be pertaining to where you're rising, your moon, your Venus, even wherever, however you choose to do it. You're welcome. You can be here, Even if you're not into tarot and you just stumbled across this for your first time, thanks for being here. So what I'm going to do here is a 3-card draw. I ain't going to hold you long, you know what I'm saying? I may cuss, but I don't curse. Well, we got the first card out already, huh? Let's go, Spirit. Guide me. Got the 3 of Pentacles in reverse. What else we got here, Spirit? What else do we have here? What else do we have here, Spirit? Somebody gossiping about you. I'm going to just tell you that right now. And this is not even viciously. The 3 of Cups in reverse. You see what I'm saying? It's not viciously, but it's officially. Bars. I'm nice. Listen. We know that already. Stop. You're too kind. Spirit, what else we got? Okay, so okay. We have the 7 of Torches in reverse, which is the 7 of Wands. So what's going on here, this is going to be short and sweet, and keep it a bean with you. What's going on here is you have people that are talking about you. You have people that are doing research on you. They're looking you up online, social media. They may be even doing some of those more in-depth searches, if you will. And they just want to know what you're up to. Because what I'm sensing is you have cut off contact with some people, Aries. And probably for your own goodwill, probably for your own good purpose, I'm seeing here as well. And some people, the reason why some people are looking you up and stuff like that, they want to know how you're doing. They want to know if you're doing good or if you're not doing good. And what I mean by that is, how are you managing? And I think that's part of the whole gossip thing. It might even be, they may be under the impression that you're not doing well, and that's why you've isolated. But some people just can't fathom not knowing. What if it's the opposite, right? What if you're doing so well since you cut everyone off that it's impactful, or it, in some uncomfortable way, it makes them feel some type of way when it should be none of their concern. I mean, really, like, you know what I mean? If a person wants to do them and want to do them alone, is what I'm feeling, is what you've chosen to do, then let them do them on their own. Even if they're going through something. Sometimes people need to go through something, and they need to like grieve or go through the process of tribulation alone. Because who wants to share their burdens with other people just so they can do what these people in the 3 of Cups are doing? They're talking about you, yo. They're talking about you. So what's the point of sharing any misery or any type of bout that you're going through when that's how people are going to do you? They're going to dog you, you know? And, again, we in the social media era, so where, people more and more are having no qualms about getting on the internet and telling them how y'all had fallen out or something like that. And it's just like, oh, now you decided to start a YouTube channel or something and you want to base your content on me? Not saying that that's exactly what's going on. I'm just giving you an example. But you also know that these people are talking about you, but in a way that is more psychic. You feel that people are talking about you. You haven't got exact word as of yet, but they are. And again, a lot of it has to do with the purpose or the reason for them doing it is wanting to know how well off are you. People are something else, man. I would also say to like protect your assets. whatever that means to you. Protect your future, protect your plan, what it is that you're. I'll go get that in a minute. I'm not going to be taken away from this reading. I'm finishing up right now anyway. I told you it was going to be short and sweet, right? So 7 of Torches in reverse is telling me this, that there's going to be a situation where it's going to be, how should I say it? It's going to get fiery. It's going to get fiery, and you're asking yourself the question if you think you have what it takes to handle what is before you, and the answer is yes. I'm telling you the answer is yes. At the same time, you got to believe that the answer is yes. If you believe that the answer is no, then it can flip the other way. You understand what I'm saying? So keep the confidence and the belief that you can handle things on your own, which is what you've been doing, I'm seeing. Anyway, and I don't see that you actually know what is before you, but it's, again, I feel psychic energy in this reading for you, Aries. So I feel like you feel and you know. So therefore, you're like preparing for it. And you got to believe this as well, that the preparation that you're doing, if it seems like it's not keeping up with the Joneses or something like that, if it's not, if it's not outwardly viable for social people, for people to chat about, and you might have just bought a new car, you know what I mean? But nobody knows about it, then that's cool. That's fine. You don't have to pop up and prove anything to anyone right now. You don't. But at the same time, if you gotta like mitigate some risks in your lifestyle because of what you feel is before you, then do so. Again, whatever you're confident in and you believe that you can do, you will be able to do it. Just do it. And that's it. Till next time, I'm out.